In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a powerful job application tracker in Notion, from setting up your master database to creating a visual pipeline and saving time with pre-made templates. If you've ever felt overwhelmed juggling multiple job applications, or you just want a clean, organized system that lets you drag and drop your progress from one stage to the next, this guide will give you exactly that. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. To begin, open your Notion workspace and create a new page, or open an existing one where you'd like your job tracker to live. Once you're on a blank page, type a /, then Table View, and select New Database from the drop-down. This instantly creates a table that will serve as the backbone of your entire tracking system. What's important to understand here is that Notion databases are incredibly flexible. This single table will hold every application you submit, and later you'll be able to view and filter that same data in different ways. For now, name your database something clear and memorable, like Job Applications. You'll also notice there's already a column called Name. Rename that to Job Title, because that's the first piece of information you'll want at a glance for every entry. This simple renaming step keeps your database intuitive right from the start. Now let's add the essential columns, or in Notion terms, properties, that will make your tracker actually useful. Click the plus sign at the top right of your table and add a property called Company, and set it to the text property type. This is straightforward, but it's critical because it lets you see at a glance which companies you're engaging with. Next, add a property called Status and choose the select property type. This is where the real power of your tracker begins. Click into that property and add options like a wishlist, applied, phone screen, interview, offer, rejected, and withdrawn. You can customize these later, but having a clear set of stages helps you quickly understand where each application stands without reading any notes. Then add a date applied property using the date type, which lets you sort by when you submitted each application, and a job posting property using the URL type, so you can jump straight back to the listing with one click. Finally, add a salary range property. You can use either number or text, but I recommend text because salary ranges often include $signs and dashes, which can confuse a number field. Tracking salary expectations here keeps that information visible alongside every other detail, which is invaluable when comparing offers later. With your columns in place, it's time to create a visual pipeline that turns your static table into a living, moving board. Click the Plus View tab at the top left of your database, then select Board and name it Pipeline. Notion will immediately show you all your applications as cards, but they'll appear jumbled because they aren't grouped yet. Click the three dots menu in the top right of that board view, choose Group By, and select your status property. Now magic happens. Your applications automatically sort into columns for each stage, from wishlist all the way to withdrawn. This is essentially a Kanban board, a visual workflow method used by teams everywhere to move tasks from start to finish. The best part is that you can now simply drag and drop any card from one column to the next as your application progresses, say from applied to phone screen after a recruiter reaches out. This tactile feedback makes tracking feel satisfying and keeps you motivated to push applications forward. Finally, let's talk about saving time with pre-made templates, because building from scratch every time is completely unnecessary. In your database, click the drop-down menu next to the blue New button and select New Template. Give it a name like Application Template. Inside this template, you can pre-fill any properties you reuse often. For example, you might set the status to applied by default, or add placeholder notes like research the company before interview. You can even include a checklist of tasks you want to complete for every application, such as tailored resume, wrote cover letter, and followed up after 1 week. Once you save this template, every time you click New and select it, all that structure is already there, so you only have to fill in the unique details like the company name and job posting URL. This one small setup saves you dozens of clicks over the course of your job search and ensures consistency across every entry. You've now built a complete job application tracking system in Notion, and the beauty of it is that you can adapt it endlessly. Add more properties like location, contact person, or notes as your search evolves. You can even create linked databases to store company profiles or interview questions in separate pages that connect back to each application. The core workflow you've set up today will serve you whether you're applying to 3 jobs or 300. If you found value here, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.